At Savyavasa, we are committed to offer excellence. Every floor exemplifies our dedication to delivering quality, and the 3 topped-off towers are a testament to our commitment. Experience the fusion of durability and luxury high-grade materials and stunning design. We're crafting elegant living spaces where beauty meets function. Each immaculate detail is installed by expert hands, from sleek flooring and designer kitchen islands to state-of-the-art appliances. At Savyavasa, you can indulge in the bespoke. Every unit at Savyavasa is the epitome of attention to detail. From April 2024, you are welcome to explore our visionary on-site show units, crafted by the award-winning designers Jie Design, AEDI, and GondoJules. With each stride in construction, Savyavasa sets a new standard in sustainable luxury, offering an extraordinary life of rare elegance in South Jakarta. Construction led by Taisei-CSC, crafted in harmony, perfected by nature.